Hi guys, so this is the draw video for the Euro plates. Over the past 2 weeks, 501 views. It's kind of disappointing. Anyways, here's the video. Keep moving in the wrong place. Here's the video. So I'm just going to click on that, and we're going to copy the URL, and then I'm going to go to YouTube Random Comment Picker. Enter video, search, oops, this side. Is it doing its thing? Oh, here it is, sorry, didn't pay attention. Anyways, we'll start cycling through names. I'm blocking everything. Steve Rob reviews, no way. Okay, so we got Steve as numero uno. Gotta write this down. Actually, I don't even have to because I'm screen recording this. How do I pick a second person? Start the raffle, pick a random draw winner. Pick another winner right here. Ready? Here comes number 2. Shoopy 76. Congratulations. And winner number 3. Start. Texas Viking. Wow. You know, it's nice to see regulars getting in on the action. And you can't get more fair than a random comment picker. So anyways, I thank you guys for watching the video, for leaving a comment, subscribing. 2 out of the 3, Steve Rob and Texas Viking, I know you guys are subscribed. Shoopy76, I'm definitely making sure that you're subscribed. And then all 3 of you guys contact me, and I'll send you this plate as soon as I can. I haven't even gotten a chance yet to send away all the others. It'll probably set me back at least 20 bucks per plate to send, but that's irrelevant. More importantly is what I gotta find a way to package these so that they are secure during shipping, or safe during shipping. Anyways, 3 happy winners, I hope, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, I forgot to mention that I did check whether or not they were subscribed to my channel. All I needed to do was to go to their YouTube channel. So here's Texas Viking. I click on channels and you can see my channel info right there. So Texas Viking is subscribed. Thank you. This is Steve's Rob channel. Steve Rob right there. So he's also subscribed, and obviously those 2 guys, I've known them for quite a while, so I was already sure that they were. This is Shoopy76, and if I scroll down to his subscriptions, there I am, this way, right here. Alright, thank you for everybody who took part. Thank you for leaving comments. I'm sure I'll have some kind of giveaway in the future. Mailing address, before I forget, send me your mailing address. Even though I have Steve's, send it again just to make sure. Send me a private message. Go to my about page. Let me see. Come on, about, and then you'll see my email address down at the bottom, right there. And then send me your mailing address so I can send the Euro plate to you. And just like I said before, and showed you the other plates, it's gonna take me some time, but you will get the plate. Okay. Thank you again for taking part in my little giveaway. Thank you, Dan, Diagnose Dan, for the hat. I wear it now to help soak in some automotive knowledge. I'm hoping that the hat will help me in diagnosing vehicles in the future. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Take care.